They are students of class 9 or 10. You prove that the sum of 17th number is given that tan theta plus sec theta whole square equal to 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. Now let's see. Left hand side equal to tan theta plus sec theta whole square. Tan theta sin theta by cos theta plus sec theta 1 by cos theta whole square. Cos theta, denominators, least common multiple is done 1 plus sin theta by cos theta whole square. 1 plus sin theta whole square by cos square theta is separated. Please see side note. 1 plus sin theta whole square is double 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta by cos square theta 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, 1 minus sin square theta is factorization law. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta 1 minus sin square theta. A plus b 1 plus sin theta into a minus b 1 minus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta is same, is deducted. 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta equal to right hand side. Therefore, left hand side equal to right hand side proved. Okay, you more and more practice. Thank you all. Inshallah.